Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Snowflake using MuleSoft step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a functioning MuleSoft Anypoint Platform account. Log in to your Anypoint Platform account. Navigate to the Design Center within the platform. Create a new Mule project by selecting Create Project. Name your project appropriately for easy identification. Once inside the project, access the Global Elements tab. Click on Create to add a new global configuration. Search for and select the Salesforce Connector option. Configure your Salesforce Connector settings by entering your Salesforce credentials. Test the connection to ensure it is successful. Next, add the Snowflake connector by searching for it in the Global Elements section. Again, configure your Snowflake connector settings, entering the necessary database credentials. Test the Snowflake connection to make sure everything is set up correctly. Head back to the main canvas in your Mule project. Drag and drop the Salesforce connector onto the canvas. Set the connector to trigger on a specific event, such as new record or updated record. Next, connect the Salesforce output to a new transform message component. In the transform message component, map fields from Salesforce to the corresponding fields in Snowflake. After mapping, drag and drop the Snowflake connector onto the canvas. Configure the Snowflake connector to insert or update the records with the transformed data. Connect the output of the transform message component to the input of the Snowflake connector. Save your project and run it to test the integration. Check the logs for any errors during the execution. Finally, verify that the data has been successfully transferred from Salesforce to Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.